What's up, guys? It's your guy Nerdy here. Welcome back to another video of how it works. Listen, if this is your first time to the video, like, subscribe, share, do all that good old stuff. And if you want to know how things work, you're in the right place. So listen, let's go ahead and get into this video. I am talking about OPUS Clip. And if you clicked on the thumbnail, you know what we're talking about. We're talking about creating these templates. All right. So I'm going to show you how you create these templates. And these templates, like I say, these are easy. This is easy for brand recognition or whatnot. So you're here on your home page, right? Voila, you're here on your home page. This is where I'm at. So I'm gonna click over here and then it goes brand template right underneath home brand template. And you click, you come over here, you get your style, and this is your preset. You only get 2 of these. Okay, you only get 2 of these. As you can see, I already have my overlay, my logo up here in the corner. That's what it is. This is for That's Random, the podcast, but this is the red cup edition. As you can see, it's red and black, but that's a total different from the main show. So the clip layout setting, you can automatically set it to 916, and then you leave all of this on. And the reason why you do that is because if there are multiple people, which there are always multiple people on the red cup editions, they'll fit it, right? So it knows to, okay, hey, you probably need to split this. You want, if there's doing a screen share, if there's 4 people, 3 people, it'll pick all that up. But we leave that in 9:16, okay? Because typically YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, this is what is going to come out in that layout. All right. Captions. You choose your captions, right? You choose your presets. You choose it how you want to. You can choose your fonts, right? I got Poppins colors black and red, right? Semi bold. I want people to see and be able to write. Effects. I make the effects auto, 3 lines, whatnot, right? I leave it there. Okay. The brand overlay. That's that. I put that in there. Okay. I have an outro. You can have an outro as well. You create your own outro. My outro tells you, hey, go to the Patreon. This is where you get this show from. You get this show not on the YouTube channel, but you get the show on the Patreon. Okay. So it's already uploaded, and all it is you creating and then you clicking upload. Okay. It's just that simple. If you wanted to add music to it, right? Part of an instrument music is unavailable due to license expiry. New music is coming soon. So with that being said, you just click on got it. And if you want to add music to your template, so that means every time you upload a clip, it's going to have this music in the backdrop of your clip. Me personally, I don't use music, okay? All right, and then here we go. AI, right off the bat. I don't know if you guys saw in the previous video, I'll link it up at the top, but in the previous video, I showed you guys, hey, this is quick. You can come in here and you can do remove filler words, remove the pauses. You can highlight words, emojis, add AI emojis. So based off the words that you say, it will automatically add the emojis. That's me. Right, you can click this and add the B stock roll if you want to. Me personally, I'm not. Enable it. Top 3 clips from each project will automatically generate with B stock. So that means the ones that are rated 99 to 100. So from 100 to 99 to 97. So your top 3 clips will get those. Not every single last one of them, just your top 3. Right. And if you wanted to add the auto transitions in there, you can do that. I don't add those. So I'll show you your preview. That's what it looks like. All right. So basically that'll be your clip. Once your clip, whatever your clip is saying, you have everything here. You can change this. So every time the word is being spoken, it's going to go to the white so that you can follow along. And then at the end of it, it's going to direct you to my outro. So that outro is in those 60 seconds that I like to choose. Setting up a preset is just that simple. It's just that easy. The logo, you get your logo, you upload it, and you put it wherever you want to. You can drag it to the bottom, you can drag it here, you can drag it right in the middle, left corner, or whatever, right? I got mine up here in this corner as of right now so that you can see. And all you do is you click and you save your template. If you want to say, hey, I want to create another template, okay, cool. Like I said, you only can do 2 templates at a time. Okay. Confirm. Okay. As you can see, different down here in the corner, right? Just to match the brand colors. And then I don't have the highlighter on. So if you do the highlighter, that's what it'll do. I don't want to do that. I'm not down for the highlighter. The B stock roll, if you're into that, you can. I'm not doing that as of right now. The captions are different on this. It's just that the outro you guys seen, but I'll show it again to you right here. And as you notice, once your outro shows up, notice that your logo disappears. That's just because it's your outro. They've seen it the whole time that your clip has been playing, and voila. Simple, easy, peasy. This is how you create a template brand. And let me show you, when you get ready to drop your link in here, right? Oh, let's see. I'll put a clip back up in there. I already have this clip loaded in, but before, there you go. Your presets. So you'll click those before you even click get the clips. So you can say, okay, hey, this is a red cup. Hey, this is a red cup. This is the main show. So you just click on which one you want. If you don't want to use these, right? Voila, they have quick presets already in here. So if you just want to say, hey, I want to go with the text style, you can just come over here and choose one of these. They used to have them in here a total different way, but as you can see, you can still choose that ratio of how you want it to look, and you just go from here and pick whatever you want. And then you have to customize. You can, if I'm not mistaken, you can go in there and you can customize it, but you'll customize it like one by one. So for me, I'm all about efficiency. So my whole deal was create your own templates, which I did, and run it that way. But that's it for me. If you made it this far in the video, I want to say thank you for rocking with Nerdy's Umbrella, and I do truly appreciate you being here. Also too, if you're thinking about getting OPUS Clip, down in the description there is a link that will help out the channel to help me keep putting out videos like this. So with that being said, stay random, stay weird, and remember, the umbrella is big enough for us all. And I'm out.